Want to create professional-looking videos faster? Clipchamp templates give you a ready-made starting point with pre-designed layouts, clips, text, music, and other elements. In this guide, I'll show you how to use templates in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and sign in if required. From the home screen, start a new project or look for the templates section where you can browse ready-made video designs. Browse through the available templates and look for one that matches the type of video you want to create. You may find templates for social media posts, introductions, presentations, promotions, and other types of content. Before choosing a template, preview it to see how the design, timing, text, music, and animations work together. Yeah, taking a moment to preview can help you choose a template that fits your project. When you've found a template you like, select the option to use it in your project. Clipchamp will open the template in the editor, where you can start replacing the sample content with your own media. Now import your own photos and videos and replace the placeholder media in the template. Drag your files into the appropriate sections and arrange them to match the template's structure. Next, customize the text, music, and other elements. Replace titles with your own information, adjust the timing, and change the audio when needed. Make sure the content matches your message and the overall style of the video. Play the entire project and check every section. Make sure your media is positioned correctly, the text is readable, and the transitions and music work well together. When you're satisfied with the result, select Export, choose your preferred video quality, and let Clipchamp create the finished video. And that's how to use templates in Clipchamp in 2026. Choose a template, customize the media and text, adjust the audio, preview your project, and export the final video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.